lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How is everybody? Hope you're all good. I'm not filming in my usual chair in the living room today. Obviously I'm up in my bedroom because my favourite little filming chair is actually covered with Christmas stuff. Yes, I have just used the C word in June, but it will all become clear soon. I haven't completely lost my mind, just trust the process. So I've escaped up to the bedroom today. We have a full house, everybody's here, but hopefully I will film this entire video uninterrupted because Clint is home, hopefully. But yeah, today I'm going to be sharing with you my summer B&M haul. Me and my mum popped to B&M a couple of days ago. I wasn't intending to do a haul, that's not why I went there. I went there because I needed all the essential B&M bits, e.g. washing tablets, dishwasher tabs, softener, etc, etc. However, I ended up getting quite a few lovely little bits and I thought this is haul worthy, you know, so that's what I'm filming for you today. I'm going to show you what's inside here. They got some great bits at the moment, guys. There's so much that you will really love, so yeah, I'm looking forward to filming this. I'm just sat here trying to decide whether I need to put everything in categories or whether I'm just gonna lucky dip. You know what, I think I'm just gonna lucky dip. Let's do it. Okay, let the lucky dip commence. Okay, first things first, as I said, I did go in for the essentials and that's what I left with. So I just got myself some washing tablets. I personally usually go for Ariel, the Ariel all-in-one pods. Sometimes I use other brands. Another brand I like to use that you've seen me use before is Small, where they get delivered to your door. I don't have any of those right now, and yeah, I really love the Ariel all-in-one pods. So I'm gonna do a satisfying little restock when I go back downstairs and put these all in their little designated jar. If you're new, yes, I'm totally mad and love to decanter pretty much anything into a storage jar, so that's what I'll do. I can't remember how much they were, guys. Are we gonna want prices on this? I mean, I can give you prices if things have stickers, like a lot of things do in B&M, but I don't know how much they were. £6 or something? Okay, these. Now, let me just take a minute to talk to you about these. I have so many of these. I think this is probably the third time that I've gone and bought these, and when I see them I grab them because they're not always in every B&M, but the one I went in had them, so I was like, yank. Basically it's £6 for two of these really gorgeous seagrass placemats, but I don't actually use them to eat on, I don't actually use them as a placemat. I love to use them to go underneath things, to display things, so I love to use them. If I have a vase of flowers, I will put one of these underneath the vase, or maybe I'll just make a little display, you know, reed diffuser and flowers, I don't know, whatever it is, but they are lovely as like a centerpiece kind of display setting thing. Don't know what to call it, but you know what I mean. So yeah, placemat, obviously it could be a placemat, but actually I just love to use it to display things. You know what, I just called it seagrass, didn't I? But this is calling it water hyacinth. I don't know what the difference is, but there you go. But yeah, I wanted a couple more of those, so grab those. Also got myself a new chopping board. We have like a giant wooden chopping board that is always on the side, that is constantly there if I'm cutting potatoes, raspberries, whatever it is for the kids. But when it comes to meat, obviously I don't cut meat on the wooden chopping board because that would be really unhygienic. So I wanted a plastic one which would just be just for meat, that would go straight in the dishwasher after it's used, and this is perfect. Double-sided, dishwasher safe. I'm going to put a little command hook inside my cupboard and just hang this inside the cupboard where all the pots and pans are, and that will do me for my cutting needs. £3. Got this for Mr. Coopy Coops. If you are new, oh, I'm gonna sneeze. Sorry, it's hay fever season and this hay fever is serious this year, isn't it? Yeah, now my eyes are going. Sorry about this. Yeah, if you are new, I have two children. I have a 5-year-old son and a 1-year-old son, and yeah, this book, he already has a similar book, which has got these touchy-feely bits, and I saw that there was this dinosaur one with all the touchy-feely bits, and I knew he would love it. He's obsessed with books, and they're always really reasonable in B&M. It was, yeah, £3.50, so I treated him to that. Got myself a couple of beautiful tea towels. Tea towel with a tassel. Now, this is the second time that I'm going to tell you I'm not crazy, but I promise I'm not crazy, but these will be display tea towels. Now I have to speak to my fiance about this because yeah, men just don't get it, do they? But you have your display tea towel and you have your real tea towel in the drawer. So this is the display tea towel that will be neatly hung over the oven with its cute little tassels and will look pretty. Maybe you could have the occasional dab your hand on it, but just leave it be. If you want to be cleaning up spills, you need to go in a drawer and get the ugly tea towel. I really do sound crazy, I'm so sorry about that. But yeah, I got a pack of 2 of these beautiful embossed tasseled tea towels for £4. I'm looking forward to hanging that on my oven. Oh, I forgot about him. Also got this. How cute is this? Oh, he's all tangled up. Oh, this display coral. I've seen a few lovely display corals, but honestly, every time I've seen them, I'm like, that's quite expensive for what it is. You know, really, it's not a real piece of coral, is it? But B&M had this beautiful little decorative one, coral ornament for £5. I thought that would look cute, sort of on top of some coffee table books with a little candle or something, I don't know, but I will absolutely find a place for him in our home. Isn't he sweet? So yeah, that was a little treat from me to me. One bag down, guys. Okay, back to the essentials. Got myself some softener. Honestly, if you're a subscriber, you must be so bored of me talking about this softener, but I will not stop talking about it because there's no better scent. There just isn't. This is the Comfort Ultimate Care Heavenly Nectar, and it is the most amazing smelling softener ever, and it literally stays on your clothes forever, and when you're hanging and washing up, the whole house smells amazing. And yeah, I'll stop banging on about it, but I get that every time I go, so no surprises there. Now this, I was excited to get this. I've seen this all over Instagram recently. This is the new scent by Flash. It is, I hope I'm pronouncing this right, Pomelo Paradise. And it looks super summery and fun, and honestly I haven't even opened it, haven't ever sprayed it. All it's done is sit in this B&M bag, and the whole living room where this bag has been has smelt like this. It's a really strong scent, and yeah, love it. Really excited to try this out. Anyone else get excited when Flash brings out a new scent? Got myself a little bathroom freshener. These are really handy. You just press the button at the back and it lasts for about, I'd say about a month. It says 45 days on here, so yeah, around about a month, and just leaves your bathroom smelling really lovely and fresh. I got Cotton Fresh, but there was a few different scents to choose from. It was literally like £2, I think. So got that for the boys' bathroom. Got myself some new toilet bleach. I've literally just run out of toilet bleach the day that I went to B&M, so that was one of the things I was like, I must get it. I'm intrigued though because it's half blue and half pink, and I want to know what colour the bleach is. Obviously I'm not gonna have a look and just you know, set on my beautiful white bedspread. Let's not do that. I'm intrigued to use it and see what colour this power gel actually is. It also says that it foams, which is music to my ears. I love a toilet cleaner that foams. So yeah, you'll probably see this on my Instagram very soon. Giving it a go. Oh, not very exciting, but I got a pack of 250 nappy sacks. I have enough in the house, but I've run out of nappy sacks in my bag, you know, in my baby bag, so these are just specifically going to live in my baby bag. Oh god, sorry guys. Of course there's chocolate in there. I got that for Clint, actually. That's not for me, he loves the carrot milk, so I got that for Clint. Oh my god, this is embarrassing. I got these for me. A pack of 3 Terry's chocolate orange bars. There is one left. As I said, these bags have been in the living room, right, for 2 days now. And yeah, we were watching Stranger Things and I knew they were in there, and I just dipped my hand in and took one out, and I took another one out. Okay, this, I have spoke about this reed diffuser before as well. This is the Escape reed diffuser from B&M, and it smells incredible. I have it in my living room and it's literally just run out. It's just on empty now, so I'm going to replace it with this one. But yeah, highly recommend this. Really reminds me of like a really high-end reed diffuser. Really lovely smell, and only £4. Dun, 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 the last bag. Oh, I forgot I got this. I also got, because I was just loving all their little tasseled towels, this hand towel for the downstairs toilet. Currently we just have like a plain black one there, so I thought I'd put him somewhere else and put this cute little natural coloured one with the cute little tassels in the downstairs toilet as well. So I will have fun hanging that up this morning as well. I just really know how to have a good time, basically. More essentials. Got myself some fairy dishwasher tabs. I put my dishwasher tabs in this lovely apothecary jar. Again, I'm not crazy, but because they're such a lovely colour, every time I do it I'll get messages saying, why did you get those dishwasher tabs, they're so cute. So this is them. They are orange, which is unusual, and I love the little pop of colour in my kitchen. But yeah, I don't know what they're called. They're just the fairy all-in-one tabs. It doesn't have a scent on there, but you can just see it's the right one because you can see the orange tab on the front. But yeah, nearly out of tabs, so that was good remembering from me. I got a pack of these, pack of 3 flexi storage basket. Now these, there was loads of them. They're nice and flexible, and I'm going to put these in my fruit and veg storage unit thing. So that I can just separate things a little more. I've kind of got the onions mixing with the garlic, mixing with the potatoes, and it kind of just messes with my brain. So I thought, pop them in there. Organise, 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 basically. Which is another thing I'll have fun doing today. Oh, how much were they? I didn't tell you. Yeah, a little pack of 3 for £2.50. That's a bargain, isn't it? I got Coopsy Poopsy, a pack of Saurine strawberry lunchbox loaves. Leo used to love these as well, but not so much anymore. Yeah, he already had a couple when we were walking around. To keep them happy in the shop, you gotta do what you gotta do. They obviously were a hit because there's 2 missing. Leo needs some new toothpaste, so I got Leo some new toothpaste. I've actually just realised this isn't the one that I love, to be honest. This is the strawberry flavoured one. I mean, it's fine. I just prefer him to use a mint one. It just smells fresher, doesn't it? But he won't care. Oh my god, last item. Lastly, I got some more anti-pack cleaning wipes. I love the Fabulosa cleaning wipes. Again, you've probably heard me rave about these on previous hauls. I just really like them. Not only do I love all the Fabulosa scents, but I find them really hard wearing. They're nice and big, they're easy to pull out. I just really rate them as an anti-bac wipe. And this is the scent Rainbow Drops. I normally get blueberry sugar. Oh, no, I like that. It smells like sweets. I got myself those as well. I think they were like £1 or £2. I can't remember exactly. So there you go. There is what I got in my B&M summer haul. I didn't know whether to call it a summer haul or a spring haul. Like, we're only in like the first week of June. Is it summer? I think it is, to be honest. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're new, if this is your first video of mine, please don't forget to subscribe before you go. It would mean so much to me. I'm gonna have fun going in, putting everything in its new home. And yeah, I will see you lovely people in my next video. I upload 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday and Friday at the moment. So yeah, stick around and I'll see you in my next one.